Hey, what's up, everybody? It's me, Miss Ebony V. Welcome back to my channel. All right, you guys, so I am here once again to bring you another synthetic wig review because I'm on a synthetic wig review kind of roll. So today I am reviewing a unit from Bobbi Boss that I actually purchased with my own coins. And this is a human hair blend unit with a 13x4 lace parting area. So there's 13 inches of lace going from ear to ear, and then there's a small 4-inch parting space here in the middle. This unit is actually in the style MBLF 190, and her name is Carmela, and I have her in the color TT1B/burgundy. Now, I purchased her from Wig Types and she was $38.79. So this is a very nice virgin dupe for under $40. Like, this is very virgin dupe. I swear, I feel like I got on a human hair wig right now. All right, y'all. So if you want to see the review of this wig, then you know what to do. Stick around. All right, everybody, so this is the hair straight out of the package, and she is quite beautiful. So I'm doing my little shed test to see if there's a lot of shedding, and I didn't find much at all. This is what the cap construction looks like, with 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, with the adjustable straps. I don't always do this, but I decided to go ahead and add some foundation powder to the parting space. I initially tried to go with a middle part, and I didn't really like it too much. And then there was a little hump action on one side. Wasn't really feeling that, so I switched it to a side part. You see what we're about. I see you at my door, wanting in, come back for more. But I don't want this anymore. Cause baby, we got issues, yeah. Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, alright, y'all, so for my final reviews, as I mentioned before, this is a 13x4 Swiss lace unit. I might not have mentioned the Swiss lace before, but yes, this is a nice hand-tied Swiss lace unit, and she is beautiful. Okay, first and foremost, so this color is everything. Y'all know this is probably one of my favorite hair colors to wear, where I get the dark roots and it kind of bleeds into the burgundy color. Probably one of my favorite colors to wear. Yep.
and it's a nice, gorgeous gradient transition. Very nice color job done on this unit. So I was looking at the stock card again, and I have been real heavy into like these blonde mixtures lately. So I'm like, I might have to go back and get this little blonde color that's on the stock card, because I'm feeling this color. So you'll probably see an update with this color as well, because I'm gonna find that color. All right, so my thoughts on the actual hair. Again, I think it is very virgin hair-like. There was not a whole lot of tangles. Of course, you're going to get a snag here and there, but for the most part, my fingers were gliding right through the hair. I didn't even have a lot of shedding with this unit. I mean, like, very minimal, where I might get a piece here and there. And that could have been from cutting the lace, of course, but very mild, very minimal. So this is one of the wigs that, and I have to use this word loosely, claimed to have a natural hairline. And so we know who is at the top of their game with the natural hairlines, and that is Sensationnel's What Lace collection. But I must say, the lace area was very, very well plucked within the 4x4 lace area here. It's not a 4x4, 13x4. You know what I'm trying to say. I probably, if I were to like pull it up, I might need to tweeze some of this little front area a little bit more, because it is a little dense. But I think they did a nice natural looking hairline for the most part. Cap construction on this wig, I always say I am measured at a small head at 21.5 inches. I don't think that this is big head friendly, but I think it's something we know. Bobbi Boss is not famous for making big head friendly wigs, so I hope Bobbi Boss is taking heed to these reviews and listening to people say that their wigs aren't normally big head friendly and actually making adjustments. I'm not big, I don't have a big head, but you know, I want my big head friendly people to be able to wear these wigs as well with comfort and ease. So I hope Bobbi Boss is listening. Again, I think this wig is very, very price friendly for the quality of this hair. This might become a wig that I wear a little more frequently. I really, really like this wig. And it's a nice yaki texture. It's not that silky texture, wiggy look. Very, very nice, you guys. I highly recommend this one. Highly recommend this wig. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you like this unit as much as I do, and that you may actually decide to purchase it if you desire. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to thumbs up this video. Make sure you leave me any comments down below. Let me know how you like this wig, and let me know how you like this color, because you know this is my color. Although I'm transitioning to a lot more of the 613 lately. Yeah, it's a trial I'm going through right now. I'm testing. All right, y'all. So I'll catch you in the next video. Be sure that your notifications are turned on so that you do not miss a video. And make sure you are subscribed, sugar. Because if you're not, I'm not sure what you're waiting on, Sugar Muffin. Okay? Okay? All right, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
Someone has got the toe. Let me go, let me out. But time is precious to me, so you just have to do without. Here's something you can think about. You play me